Okay guys, once you're in a thrift shop, there are no right or wrong answers to what do I buy. But if you give yourself a few quick rules of thumb, it will keep your shopping to listing ratio a bit more right-sized. One of the worst things that can happen, and often happens to a Posh seller, is the dreaded death pile. I have one. It's right over there. For whatever reason, there are things that I just haven't sold yet. They need a button, or I found a stain, or I have items that are more worth it. Sometimes an item is worth buying with a stain or a rip, if you know you can fix it and sell it for a profit. But the reality is, a lot of stuff is just gonna end up in that death pile, and you've paid for it, and you're not getting your money back for it. You're not making any profit. You can avoid that by giving yourself rule number one: don't buy anything that you don't plan to list for $25 or more. I have upped that to $50 or more. I also give myself a very important rule: a time limit in a store. Make sure you give yourself a time limit. Now be reasonable. If it's a really big sale day or it's a dollar deal day, give yourself more time. It's gonna take longer to shop. You're also going to have a long line to wait in. So don't rush yourself. Don't give yourself an unreasonable 30-minute time limit, but give yourself a time limit, because the more you stay in that store, the more you're gonna buy that you don't need.